Hamster Care, a beginner's guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we'll explore the meaning and essentials of hamster care. If you're a pet lover or just curious, this video is perfect for understanding how to look after these adorable creatures. So, let's get started. Hamsters are small, nocturnal rodents known for their cute appearance and playful nature. In this section, we'll learn about different types of hamsters, their habitat preferences, and general behavior. Knowing these basics is crucial for proper hamster care. Here, we'll discuss how to create a comfortable living space for a hamster. We'll cover the essentials like choosing the right cage, bedding, and toys. Providing a safe and stimulating environment is key to keeping your hamster happy and healthy. What do hamsters eat? In this section, we'll dive into the diet of hamsters. We'll cover nutritious food options, feeding schedules, and important dietary do's and don'ts. Proper nutrition is a cornerstone of good hamster care. Maintaining your hamster's health and cleanliness is vital. We'll discuss common health issues, signs of illness, and regular hygiene practices like cage cleaning and grooming. Remember, a clean and healthy hamster is a happy hamster. This section focuses on how to safely handle and bond with your hamster. We'll provide tips on building trust, handling techniques, and ways to play with your hamster. Building a bond enhances the pet-owner relationship and ensures a happier pet. It's easy to make mistakes when caring for a pet. Here, we'll highlight some common errors and misconceptions in hamster care. Learning from these mistakes can greatly improve your hamster's quality of life. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Remember, taking care of a hamster requires patience, love, and the right knowledge. By following these guidelines, you're on your way to becoming a fantastic hamster caregiver. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English language learning content.